the keys in. You turn it on. The first thing you do, you go here, the setup. You click setup one time, and then you do oil life. It says 35%. Hold to reset. You should hold the reset button, and then it just reset everything to brand new. That's it. So that's your setup. After you click setup a few times, it's gonna take you back to your oil. 1, 2, 3. Reset. You see the oil right there? 35%. Here we go. So as soon as you hold down this reset button, it will reset your 2010 to 14 F-150 oil change. Thanks for watching.